If any other customer but this one brought a car to us like this to do paintwork, I'd send them back with it. But this gentleman is a very, very good customer. He actually came in for this to be repaired, and then when he's got here today, whilst it's here, can you just? So we've got this to do. I'm gonna have to order him a new tyre, and it needs a wheel alignment. It's been for a road test and it wants a wheel alignment on it. So we'll have to get him a tyre ordered and then get him a wheel alignment as well. But first job is I'm gonna have to wash it, because yeah, I can't start work when it's like this. So best get it washed. So first we're going to hit it with a bit of G101. Get all this mud washed off it first. Then we've got snow foaming. Give this a wash off and then dry it up, and we'll get this front bumper ripped off. Get it prepped ready for primer. So we've got the car washed off for him now, and I knew we were going to find more damage. I bloody knew it. That's why he's brought it dirty. So we've already once fit a brand new door here, blended, and we've now got, including the extra damage there, the scratch all the way down it, the damage at the bottom of the door, all across here, and then onto the back bumper. And there's also more on this back corner as well. So I bloody knew it. I knew there's a reason why I brought it dirty, because this is what it's meant to be in for, this corner here. So we've got a new trim. We were just going to blow this corner in. So now it's full bumper off. Do both sides, and then I'm going to get him a new tyre ordered. Get him a wheel alignment done at the same time, and he's got wheel insurance, so he's going to get his wheel insurance to repair the wheel for him. But yeah, I bloody knew it. Trying to hide it. So I'll have to tell him the good news. Now, it was his birthday yesterday, and he was 84, and the tradition in the motor trade is if it's your birthday you're supposed to bring in the cakes to the lads. So this morning he brought us in a load of cakes. Look at them. So you can bribe us to wash your car, I suppose. Right, that's the bumper off. So whilst I've got these wheels off, I'm going to switch the fronts to the back and the back to the fronts on both sides. Then he's got the same amount of tread, a good tread on the back, so it's like brand new. The same amount of tread on the front axle. They have a new tyre on this rear left, and his original tyre that was on the front on the back. So that's the damaged wheel now on the back left. What was on the back left is now on the front left. What was on the back right is now on the front right. So he's got a good axle on the front, both with the same tread. Bang a new tyre on this side, and then you can have the front end or the four-wheel alignment done. So that's the 1 Series back together. We've got it painted, fitted back up. The 2 new trims that we ordered came this morning, so we've literally fired it back together now, and I'm going to go pick him up in it in a second. So jobbed for another month or so. New gloss black trim there. We had to get a new centre grille because it smashed all that. Luckily there's no camera behind there, it's all in the windscreen, so we don't have to do an ADAS reset. And then this corner repaired. We've just checked his tyre pressures because we've swapped the wheels, so 38 front, 33 rear. Tyre was ordered yesterday, so you can go get that fitted tomorrow, and then the four-wheel alignment. But yeah, other than that, that's another job done.